今仔日到底是？
伊今仔就是主要是讲，因遮的人有需要的人对无吼，甲因登记了的时阵，等下 trainer 会每一个人甲因 design 一个 course，啊了就开始12礼拜的 train，所以有啊，超过一半的人有趣味啦，趣味，
OK。
反正反正。
The most important one here is have they fallen, was there fear of falling? And then this is really important. They have to sign this, and you put their name here. And the way we're going to use this is when we get the exercise routine, we send it to the doctor. We're going to send it to the doctor that's listed here, the primary doctor, and make sure that it's okay. The doctor says it's okay. But we have to have their signature, so that's all.
The same as the PR is sometimes they
No, because it's not medical providers, so we don't check that on the file, so we're not gonna bill for it. You know, we're just curious, do they have Medicare or Medicaid? It doesn't matter for us at all. It just helps us to analyze services.
I'm sorry, your name?
Oh, forgot my name.
Vilma. Vilma. So you're going to come with me?
Okay. Oh, and you're going with her?
Yeah, she's taking.
Okay. Ciao. How are you? Sorry you were writing.
Marie, Cordelia will help you anyway.
Yeah, she's doing your job. Okay, so let's see what we have now.
If I want to go campus.
Take this one. Okay. She's doing. This is her medication though? Yes. Okay, good. So I will have the student write the medication after she's done with this. And
No doctor. That's the same. That's the same. Same name. Same name.
But she goes to Canada.
But sometimes to see
She's doing very good. You're my hero.
This is the same doctor. Sometimes I went to.
Yeah. Tell her she's my hero.
Lost this same.
Yes. True. Inspiring. It's good. Very good. Okay, so.